This is Big A with ETFTrendTrading.com. Welcome to the free overview for Thursday the 20th. This is the 60-minute chart on the SPY. I called this trade yesterday. We were short. Our target was 77.76, and that's this horizontal line. And this first hour of trading, we got to a low of 77.92. We had to wait it out the whole time, which, by the way, we got a reversal trade right here with an add-on. Let me draw that in here. And when it finally did hit the low of this, is an hour before, 77.48, we made over 2%. And this was actually over 2.1%. This was a trade that I called ahead of time. So this is stuff that my members did. My members on the daily charts made over 5% today only. That wasn't counting the positions they cashed out a few days ago on earlier positions. But listen, not every day is that good. Some days are break even, some days you lose money. If you don't follow the system, you can lose your whole account. That's because you might as well not even buy a system if you're not going to follow it. If you don't follow my money management, you could lose your whole account. Well, why buy a course if you're not going to follow it? Why go to a dentist if you've got a toothache if you're not going to listen to their advice to quit eating chocolate? So if you're tired of the mutual funds losing, then it's time to take it into your own hands. So let's go look at the DBA trade, which was another one I called on the free videos for my long-term members that also cashed out today. And on the DBA, we made 1.26% today, so just over a percent. But this was only trading 5 minutes per night. And also, we cashed out of it a few days back and made more money. So I'm getting some, what's the word I'm looking for? House repairs done. Contract work done right now, so you might hear a saw in the background. One of the advantages of working at home, you get to actually make sure that your contractors are fixing things the way that you want them fixed. So that's it for today. The only thing I can say is our trends usually make us even more than 5% because they usually aren't so volatile and they don't hit the target so fast. We've got a lot of volatility in the market, which is still good. We still make money. But when it's a fast trend, we don't get to load up on our positions as much. I have a special money management called modified reverse pyramiding, and I believe it's the most powerful money management out there. And it's modified. I haven't seen anybody else do this type of reverse pyramiding. My point is, when it's a slower trend that's moving, we make a lot more money. When you get one bar that moves, $10 in a day, like today the Dow dropped 445. Yeah, we hit our targets, we make money, but not as much money. Bottom line, this is the only system that can survive in the flat markets and thrive in the trending markets. I've seen tons of systems, and I know tons of traders, and I've trained lots of traders, and no systems are for one or the other. They'll do good in the sideways markets, or they'll do good on the ranging, or only in the trends, and some only good for day trading, some are only good for long-term trading, some only work on Forex, some only work on options, some only work on ETFs. Well, this type of system works on everything. I just prefer ETFs because I like the way that they're structured for taxes, and I like the way that they're automatically diversified. So that's it for today. Hopefully you did learn something. If anything, I just proved on one of the trades that I shot yesterday, got to where we got to. So like I said, not all trades are winners, but it doesn't matter. And you don't even need a 50% win rate to be an overall winner. Many times people think they got to win 90% of their trades. Well, sure, that feels good, but so what? It doesn't actually really help you in the long run, because those systems usually always blow up because they have upside down risk reward ratios and bad money management. So there's a lot more to trading, and anybody who just says follow my advice blindly is just taking you for a fool, and you're going to lose your money. I would rather teach a man to fish than to give him the fish. Teach the exact tools. So I talk about my advanced member blog a lot, because in there you can actually see everything. In fact, let me show that to you real fast. Okay, first off, when you do become a member, you'll have your elite member area that'll have your details, the blogs and the videos, and then it has the regular member area. Now the elite member area is also known as the advanced area. And in it, each day I just post the blog before 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, so you know exactly where to put your trades, stops, entries, everything. But the important thing is that I'm teaching you how to fish for yourself. So later on, if you don't want to be part of the advanced area or the elite member area, you don't have to. But you can help double check your work. That's what many of my students do, meaning before they look at the blog, they'll look at the charts of the ETFs and they'll say trade here, stop here, entry here, and then they'll double check their entries with the blog. And that is the quickest way to learn. And put it to you this way, anybody who won't teach in the live market or teach ahead of time is a scammer. And 99% of the guys on the internet selling stock courses, forex courses, option courses are scammers. I think 99% is maybe a little too nice, actually. A former fund manager, I know the difference, and you absolutely are getting something powerful in the system. So, and I'll teach it live. I'll give you these trades the day ahead of time, like I always do, according to the system rules. And hardly anybody else will do that. Anybody can look like a genius looking at old charts saying do this and do that. I'm only giving you the tip of the iceberg in these free videos. I'm not going to give you the same thing I give my paid members. So that's it for today. Thanks. Have a great day.